Hey everyone, and so this is going to be my review on this HOTO precision screwdriver. And so I do want to thank HOTO for gifting this to me. But with that being said, this is just a really neat way to actually have a precision screwdriver when it comes to handling things like drones, laptops, computers, keyboards, even watches as well. But what I like about it, first off, is the housing compartment. So other precision screwdrivers I've used, sometimes their housing compartment to actually hold all the screw bits gets a little wonky, and so sometimes I end up losing the actual screw bits itself. But as you can see here, we have about 25 different screw bits. And the entire screwdriver itself, it pulls out of the case quite easily, and then this is what it looks like. So it's handheld, it's very easy to use, and it is rechargeable via USB-C that you see over there. The screwdriver has a button that you actually press to kind of turn the screw counterclockwise, and then another button to actually turn the screw counterclockwise. But the drill bits, or the screw bits themselves, they actually are magnetically housed within the case itself. So the housing kit is great. It comes with a variety of different screw bits that you see over there. This is rechargeable, and so I do look forward to using this. And so it's got a lot of different use cases, but so far no problems with it whatsoever. Do check it out.